Okay, it's another Amazon unboxing of the ELEGOO Mercury cure box. So it's for curing 3D prints. I brought this next day delivery from Amazon. So here we go, get into the box. I actually bought these paints with it. They're airbrush paints, like flesh colour and a primer. And here it is, it's a small box with a nice little window in it. I did have a homemade box with tin foil and a UV light. I was wondering online, I've seen these on and the window was lit up green, and I thought, well, a UV light isn't green, so I was wondering why they were lit up like that and how it would cure with a green light. But turns out, as you can see here, the window in the front is actually yellow, so when your print's in there and the UV light's on, it actually glows up green. Here's a little stand that you get with it, the rotating stand with a clear turntable part for it. I did actually buy one of these already, but it was a white one. But this one comes with a black one. There's on the bottom is a part for a battery, so I'm not sure why you'd need a battery on it. That did have a little cap on it that I took off, so the turntable will go on. So there's the yellow window, and inside is the strip, the LED strip of UV LEDs to cure it, with a little timer on the top, with start, stop button. Well, it's actually play, pause here, and a time up, plus and minus, so that's for setting it how long it goes on for. This is the UK version, so I've got a UK plug here. There's the base. Don't need that box. And this UK plug does have quite a long lead on it, which is good. Didn't check what voltage that was, but here it goes together. So you just put the top on once you put your print in there. The light will start to turn it. This is what else came in my package, which I ordered separately. I dropped it. So this is Mecha Primer by Vallejo. It's a airbrush spraying primer, and this is supposed to be flesh colour, which is also Vallejo type paints, which I think is already mixed to spray. So I'm just having a look on it and scraping my nail across it, and has one of those lovely little plastic covers over the screen, so you can have satisfaction of peeling that off. Ooh. and it's nice and shiny underneath and clear. Yeah, so we get on to setting it up, and we'll have a look how it looks when it's on. So here we go, got it plugged in, ready to go. Switch it on, and the timer lights up with zeros straight away, so you know it's on. So where it plugs in at the back at the top, so when you do lift it off, the lead comes with it. So the base is literally just a plastic base with a turntable in it. So you set the time first, turn it on, and there's that green light that I was on about. That, when you see down the side of the screen, the clear window, you will actually see that it is purple, but it just looks green because of the yellow window they've got in it. And that was just a 30-second to test it. And there you can see there's like a purple line down the edge of the screen. So it is an ultraviolet strip light in there. It's not actually trying to cure it with green light. So there you go, you lift it up, take your print out, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed it, and any questions, just ask.